So now let's see how we can collaborate with others in the same project by using Tinkercad. So in order to work around with this, you can see that I have this project called sharing, and this is what I want to use so that I can collaborate it with other person at the same time. So I'm just going to open up this project first by clicking on Tinker this so that this project actually loads up. So once this project loads up, to collaborate this with other people, I'm going to click on the top right hand icon right here which says invite people to design with you. So once I click on this, what happens is that it says generate a new link. So I'm just going to go around right here, and then you can share this link over instant message or email. So I'm just going to copy this around right here. So the other person, what they can do is they can paste the link and then they can access the same file. So you can see that the file is loading, and you can see that it is in the editing mode right here. So if they were to add in this object right here, let me just close this. You can see that on the other person's view, you can see that whatever they do, it'll actually update right here. And if you were to change this out right here, it'll actually change this out. So I'm just going to make this really large right here. And you can see that as I move along, then the change actually reflects back right here. So you can also work around with one another in different timings. So it does not have to be in the same timing. As long as you share the link, the other person will be able to edit out the files, and you'll be able to edit out the files and collaborate in the same project together. And that is how you can use the collaboration option inside of Tinkercad. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.